Yeah, the sticker on this says 15,000, but how much is it really?
15,000.
Okay, I'll tell you what I'll do. I give you 10.
Great. But if you want the car, it'll be 15.
Let's say 12.
15.
14.
15.
Okay, but I want you to throw in a special air conditioning, no charge.
Nope.
Okay, but I want you to throw in a stereo.
Nope.
Undercoating. Okay. But I'm not driving out of here till I have a wooden gear shift knob, no extra cost.
Let me think. Hey, Vince.
Yeah.
How much is a plastic wooden gear shift knob?
25 cents.
I give it to you for $50.
Deal, sucker!
How do you intend to pay?
Well, how does a $5,000 deposit sound? Bud, peel them off 5 big ones.
Well, I'd love to, Dad, but all you got is 800.
Is that all?
Well, that and red hair.